Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. And firstly I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what more visually similar to iOS, so maybe you need to also check that part to find a similar path to this setting. Now on your Android, open settings, and we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom, so I need to scroll down, then enter here and scroll down again and find audio adjustment. And also I have it at the bottom, so tap at this line. And right here we have volume balance. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and you will increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And if I use 100% on the right earbud, I will totally mute sound on my left earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and now we increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and we need to also go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So enter here, and we need to scroll down. In the hearing we have audio and visual. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have volume balance. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left. You can also tap at the place what you want to move, but it's not available, at least for now, for iOS 26, so only move. Now we increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And if I use 100% on the left earbud, I will totally mute sound at the right earbud. So if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right. And again, we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!